Hi students, welcome to our mathematics class. In this class I am going to explain exercise 7.4 divisions of fractions. In previous class we have learned about multiplications of fractions. Now we are going to learn about divisions of fractions. Here divisions. Question number 1, 3 by 8 divided by 2. The fraction 3 by 8 divided by 2. Here 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. 2 is nothing but 2 by 1. Already many times I repeated, any number if there is no denominator, that is equal to denominator you write as 1. Okay, now here see, divisions are given. It is difficult to do divisions of fractions. Fractions division is not possible to do directly. So there is a method to solve the divisions. What is that? This division convert as multiplication. Multiplication, how to convert? Division convert into multiplication. See, when you are writing division as multiplication, what to do? Second fraction, that means divisor fraction, write as reciprocal. Here what is the meaning of here? 2 by 1. No, for this 2 by 1 reciprocal 1 by 2. Don't change first fraction, only second fraction change as reciprocal when you write division as into. Now you know how to solve this multiplication. 3 1 ja 3, numerators multiply denominators, numerators multiply and write in numerator, denominators multiply and write in a denominator. 3 1 ja 3, 8 2 ja 3 1 ja 3, 8 2 ja 16. Final answer is 3 by 16. Yes, one more question. 2 1 by 2 divided by 1 4 by 5. Yes, how to convert into this? Already many times I repeated, don't solve any problem in a mixed fraction. It's difficult, not possible. So what to do? First to convert mixed fractions, convert into normal fraction. How to convert? Multiply these two, 2 2 are 4 plus 1, write in numerator. 2 2 are 4 plus 1 5, write in numerator. This denominator repeats, divide by, now this also converted in normal fraction. 1 5 are 5 plus 4, 1 5 are, multiply these two, 1 5 are 5 plus 4, then 9, write in numerator. This denominator repeats as it is. This is the way convert mixed fractions as normal fractions. Many times I told, you should not do with the mixed fraction, convert as normal fractions, converted. Now division, just now I told you now, difficult to solve divisions of fractions. It's not possible to solve. There is a method to solve division by changing into multiplication. See, division, in the place of division we can change as multiplication. When you are changing division as multiplication, what to do? The second fraction, only second fraction, write as reciprocal. We can write like this: division, instead of division we can write multiplication. When second fraction you write as reciprocal, then you can write instead of division you can write into, and write whenever you change division as into, immediately change the second fraction only, change as a reciprocal, means interchange, numerator denominator interchange. 5 by 9. Don't change first fraction as it is, only dividing fraction, means divisor only, write reciprocal to divisor. Now multiplication, change into multiplication. Now you know how to multiply numerators, multiply denominators. Multiply numerators, 5 5 are 25, multiply denominators, 2 9 are 18, 25 by 18. Then divide means 18 1 are 18, 7 remainder, by 18. Here see 18 1 0 18, 7 remainder. So what is the answer? 1 7 by 18. 1 7 by 18. Such a way we can solve divisions. Now one more example I will explain. See, 4 2 by 3 divided by 2 means what? 2 means what? It means 2 by 1. Okay. Yes, here mixed fraction. Again convert as normal fraction. 4 3 are 12 plus 2. Multiply this 2. 4 3 are 12 plus 2. Add this numerator. 12 plus 2 14. Write in numerator. This denominator repeat as it is. Divide by 2 means 2 by 1. 2 means what? Any fraction, any number, if there is no denominator, if you want to write as denominator, write as 1. No denominator means what? For every number, denominator is 1. Now we can write 2 is equal to 2 by 1. Why you wrote 2 by 1? To avoid confusion. So now write 14 by 3 as it is. Now I am changing. Just now I told we cannot solve division directly. What to do? There is a method to solve the division. How to convert into multiplication? Convert the division into multiplication. When it is possible? When you write second fraction as reciprocal, means reverse. 2 by 1. 2 by 1 as 1 by 2. Only second fraction write as reciprocal. Then you can write in the place of division, you can write multiplication. Now we can solve. Already many times, many problems we have done. Multiply numerators, multiply denominators. We are doing now multiplications now. Division converting into multiplication by writing second fraction as reciprocal. Second fraction reciprocal means reverse. So then division convert into multiplication. Now we know multiplication how to do. 14 1 jar 14, multiply numerators, multiply denominators. 3 2 jar 6. 14 by 6. Divide means you will get to 2 by 6. Already I said, if any fraction is cancelled by any table, you can cancel. 2 table possible to cancel. 2 1 jar 2 3 jar. So final answer is 2 1 by 3. This also do another method. See, this same number, see right here. Already I told in multiplication, we change it division as into. Division as into. When you change division as into, what to do? Second fraction only convert as, second fraction only write as reciprocal. Only second fraction write as reciprocal. First fraction as it is, division instead of division into. Then when you write division as into, second fraction as reciprocal. Now same thing I have written here. Here in multiplication, already I told, if any table possible numerator and denominator you can cancel. If any numerator and any table is possible, numerator and denominator you can cancel with the table, but not possible here. But cancel that numerator and denominator can cancel in cross way. Already I told, cross way also can possible, if possible cancel it. 2 1 jar 2 table, 2 1 jar 2 7 jar. Now is there any table possible in these two, or already 1 by 1? So not possible. Then multiply numerators, multiply denominators. 7 1 jar by 3 1 jar. Remaining numerators 7 into 1. Remaining denominators 3 into 1. So 7 by 3. 7 by 3 means what? 3 2 jar 6. 1 remainder by 3. Yes, see, two methods I have done. One directly multiply numerators and multiply denominators and divide. Here cancellation not done. You also can do by cancellation if possible. That is your wish. If you want, you can do cancellation, or without cancellation also multiply numerators, multiply denominators, and finally divide. You will get answer. Both ways you will get answer. But if you want, you can cancel also, no problem. Cancel numerator and denominator, or cross way numerator and one numerator, one denominator with the same table. Here what table? 2 table. 2 1 jar, 2 7 jar. So finally 7 into 1 by 3 into 1. So answer is same. Anyway, without cancellation you can do. By cancellation also we can do. Solve the problems. Here one more example. See, 3 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. Yes, convert as 15 by 4 normal fraction 3 by 2. Now division convert as multiplication. Already I told, we cannot solve fractions division directly. There is a method. What is the method? Division change as multiplication. How we can change division as multiplication? You can change division as multiplication when you can change the second fraction as reciprocal, dividing fraction as reciprocal, then you can write, instead of division you can write multiplication. So then you know multiplication how to do. 15 2 jar 30, 4 3 jar 12, 30 by 12, you will get to 2 1 by 2. Or else you can cancel it possible. You also can do this method also. If you want, you can cancel here without cancellation, multiply numerators and multiply denominators, final answer. Here with cancellation also you can do if possible. Here this way you can not possible, numerator and denominator not possible by cancel any table. Here this way is not possible, but you can cancel cross way you can cancel 3 1 jar 3 5 jar. Here 2 1 jar 2 2 jar. So what is the final remaining numerators? 5 into 1, 2 into 1. See, once again cancellation. In these two table possible, in these two 3 table possible. We can cancel in cross way, one numerator one denominator with same table, cancel with the same table. Here one numerator one denominator cancel with the 2 table. Here one numerator one denominator cancel with 3 table. So finally remaining numerators are 5 into 1, remaining denominators are 2 into 1. So 5 1 jar 5 by 2 1 jar 2. Now divide 2 2 jar 4, 1 remainder by 2. This is the final answer. Such a way we can do divisions of fractions. Only thing remaining, division convert as multiplication. We can convert division as multiplication. Why we cannot do division directly? Only there is a method to solve this division. How to convert division? We can convert as multiplication. When you convert division as multiplication, then second fraction must write reciprocal. Such a way we can convert into multiplication and solve. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.